Hello besties, today we're going to do a tattoo tumbler tutorial. But before then, let me welcome you to our YouTube channel, Misfit Makers Besties. Make sure you follow us on all our social media handles under Misfit Makers and click that subscribe button so you'll be notified of any new content. Also check out our website and our Patreon. Okay, let's get started. I am using a True 22 from the Tipsy Magnolia, and it's already been spray painted white and nice and dry. I'm going to do a thin coat of this Aleene's Tack It Over and Over. We're going to do probably 1 to 2 thin coats, making sure they dry, but keep in mind that Tack It stays tacky, so it's not going to completely dry. It's going to be tacky because it's a repositional glue. So after it clears up, I guess, it doesn't dry, you want to grab your favorite glitter. I'm using Karen. It is an opal glitter from the Glitter Guy, and we're going to cover it up just like any other tumbler. But the cool thing about this tack it method, burnishing method, is the magic that happens when you rub it down. So here you see me rubbing it down, and look how different it looks. Now, mind you, it looks really cool just with the raw glitter, but when you burnish it, it just, those opal colors just shine. And if you do not have a good opal glitter like this for burnishing, Karen, I recommend 10 out of 10. So after you have burnished it, you don't have to seal it, you don't have to do anything special. Go ahead and give it a coat of either epoxy or UV resin. I wasn't in a little hurry, so I used some UV resin and I did a nice thin coat, but if you are not in a hurry, just use epoxy and it works just as fine. So after applying 1 coat of UV resin, then curing it, we are going to go in with a tattoo. These tattoos you can find on Amazon or any craft store. I believe I got this one from Pink and Purple Monkey, but you can find them in a lot of different places. Try to find the big ones that are made for sleeves. These are regular schmegular temporary tattoos. So after you trim up your tattoo, you want to get rid of all the excess, like make sure it fits on your cup. You're going to apply it like you apply a regular temporary tattoo. Reach back to your childhood when you used to do these all the time. Of course, you go upside down towards the tumbler, or if you remember, towards your skin, and then you soak it. If you notice, I sprayed my tumbler with water all the way around, soaked it, and then placed my tattoo, and then now I'm soaking it and then wiping any excess with a paper towel. Keep in mind, guys, that after you place your tattoo, you are not going to be able to reposition it. Once you lay it down, that's where it goes. So keep that in mind. Also, before you place your tattoo, make sure that you haven't sanded underneath, or if you did sand, make sure you put like a clear coat or some quick coat or something like that. So here we go. After we've removed it, you want to kind of use a paper towel to kind of smooth it out, or use your finger to get out any water bubbles, air bubbles. You can use your pen if you see there's one little bubble there that I'm trying to work out. Don't worry about if your tattoo like cracks or breaks. It's just part of the look, guys. It is very thin, so just be very careful. After that dries completely, then you want to seal it with some quick coat. Epoxy tends to repel, so you want to make sure you seal it. After it's fully sealed, then give it one last coat of epoxy, and voila! I did 2 here. One I did live in our Misfit Makers group, but it's a very simple design. I hope you just enjoyed this, and I hope it inspired you to try your own tattoo cup. Let me know what you think, and also post your creations.